Welcome students. Now we will discuss with the engineering physics syllabus module number 5 material science. In that material science they have classified into three parts: conductors, semiconductors and dielectrics. We will discuss now only with the dielectrics. See here. Next, what are dielectrics? A dielectrics is on electrically non-conducting materials such as glass, wood, rubber, paper, etc., which provides electrical insulation between two conducting media. These are the dielectrics. Dielectrics are the non-conductors which are electrical insulation between two conducting media is called as a dielectrics. Next, some basic definitions we will see here. What is the electric dipole and dipole moment? Now first one. What is an electric dipole? A pair of equal and opposite charges whose distance separation is very small is called electric dipole. See here, a pair of equal and opposite charges. Which are the opposite charges? Plus Q and minus Q. Q is a charge. Equal and opposite charges. Got it, no? A pair of equal and opposite charges whose distance of separation is very small is called an electric dipole. Now, what is a dipole moment? What is a dipole moment? Means the product of the magnitude of one of the point charges and the distance of separation. Distance separation is L. Which of the point charges, either plus Q or minus Q, anything we will consider here. I have considered here is a plus Q is a one of the point charge. See here, this is a plus Q is a one of the point charge and the distance of separation is L. Now, the dipole moment is denoted by mu. Mu equals QL. Or the same mu we can written as a the dipole moment mu equals minus Q into L. Got it now? Minus Q into L also we will consider. Q is the point charges and L is the distance of separation. Here the two charges plus Q and minus Q whose distance is very small and the separation we have considered as a L. This is the electric dipole and dipole moment. Next we will see with the basic definitions of the polarization. What is polarization? The displacement of the charges in the atoms, molecules or ions in a dielectric under the action of applied external electric field is called as a dipole moment. Is it clear now? Once again repeat. The displacement of the charges in the atoms, molecules or ions under the influence. Which is under the influence means when we applied external electric field, the displacement of the atoms or molecules or charges should be takes place. The displacement is called as a polarization. Next, we will see with the dielectric materials. Dielectric materials is electrically polarized in which the field can be exist. Also, they do not allow the electric current. Is it clear now? There are two types of dielectric materials. One is a polar dielectrics, another one is a non-polar dielectrics. Now we will see with the polar dielectrics. What is a polar dielectrics? These possesses permanent dipole moment. These possesses the permanent dipole moment and they have permanently polarized in nature. Example, if we consider water, KCl and NH3. These are the examples for the polar dielectrics. Next, second one, we will go with the non-polar dielectrics. What are non-polar dielectrics? These are the materials they do not possess permanent dipole moment. These are the materials they do not possess the permanent dipole moment is called as a non-polar dielectrics and they get polarized only in the presence of external electric field. Non-polar dielectrics also polarized when we apply the external electric field. Now example we will consider here non-polar dielectrics are the oxygen, helium and neon. These are the examples for non-polar dielectrics. Next, what is a dielectric constant? For isotropic material, the electric field strength we have considered as a field strength is E and the flux density is D. Then the equation we have considered for the dielectric constant is D equals epsilon naught epsilon R into E. The dielectric constant we can define in some other way also. Now here the epsilon value we have considered 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 Faraday per meter, and epsilon r is a relative dielectric constant. They do not have any units. Next, we will see with the what is the relation between polarization and dielectric constant. The polarization is denoted by letter is P and the dielectric constant is epsilon r. Consider a parallel plate capacitor with which the plates which are the electric field is E naught. It will be exist in the field. Now, if sigma is the charge per unit area on the plates, now according to the Gauss law, the electric field E naught equals sigma by epsilon naught. Sigma by epsilon naught. Now, let us given the dielectric slab be placed between the two plates due to polarization of the charges appear on the two faces of the slab and establish another field within the dielectric. Here, E dash is a field. Let the field will be E dash, which is opposite to that of E naught, which is opposite that of E naught. Now, if you observe the diagram here, in the dielectric slab, E naught and E dash is the applied field. Now, the resulting field E in the material can be written as E equals E naught minus E dash. If sigma P is the charge per unit area on the slab surface, on the equation can be written as E dash equals sigma P by epsilon naught. Now equation 1 and 3 in equation number 2. Now E equals sigma by epsilon naught minus sigma P by epsilon naught, or this we can rewrite as a epsilon naught into E. This we just cross multiply. Epsilon naught into E equals sigma minus sigma P. Since the magnitude of polarization P, that is the induced charge per unit area. Now, here sigma P can be written as epsilon naught into E equals D minus P, or P equals D minus epsilon naught into E. We know that we study of the electrostatics, D equals epsilon R into E. Now, the same equation 5 we will written as P equals epsilon R into E minus epsilon R into E. Now this we can rewrite epsilon R minus 1 into E. Here the polarization we can denote a letter P equals epsilon R xi into E. Is it clear now? Here xi is the epsilon R minus 1, that is the electric susceptibility of